smartphones. I hope you're drinking your water and staying hydrated. You know the drill, hashtag stay hydrated. Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Feels so good to say that, like I absolutely love that statement. Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. But anyway, today we're talking about my current daily driver smartphone or my daily smartphone. Currently I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S23, but I am switching from this smartphone to this one, which is the Xiaomi 13 Pro. Now you've read the title and you know that there is one reason why I am switching to this smartphone, the Xiaomi 13 Pro. What is that reason? Well, before I tell you, let me play you a little something. What's something? That something is called the intro. Alright, welcome back. What did you think about the intro? Please let me know about that in the comment section down below. But yeah, talking about the reason why I am switching to the Xiaomi 13 Pro, that is because of the cameras. So I've been testing the Xiaomi 13 Pro ever since it came out. I made an impressions video, then I wanted to make a review video, but I did not want to make those same old review videos with all the specifications, all the numbers and stuff. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to talk about my experience with the smartphone. If you want to know about the specification, you can literally get them anywhere on the internet. Just Google Xiaomi 13 Pro specifications and you'll get a spec sheet. So in my reviews from now on, you won't hear numbers, but rather my experience with any particular device. And that's what we are here to talk about. My experience with the Xiaomi 13 Pro and why am I switching to it? Like, how good are those cameras? I'm not going to do the talking much. I'm going to let the photos speak for themselves. I have clicked some amazing photos with the Xiaomi 13 Pro. Ever since I've unboxed this smartphone, I've had a lot of fun with photography. Clicking photos in various lighting conditions and with the various camera sensors available on this smartphone. So this smartphone has 3 camera sensors, main, ultra wide and telephoto. The main one being the best, of course. I have managed to click some amazing shots with the main sensor. The dynamic range is super impressive. The photos are detailed. The colors are on point and everything looks very well balanced. The photo looks pleasing to the eye and that is what matters at the end of the day. Now my second favorite camera on this smartphone after the main camera is not the ultra wide, it is the 3.2x telephoto camera. I had no idea that I will have so much fun with that telephoto camera. Shooting normal and portrait photos with that telephoto camera is a treat. Especially portrait photos. I feel that 3.2x zoom or 75mm for portraits is absolutely perfect. One can get some really good looking portrait shots with the Xiaomi 13 Pro and I have managed to do that as well. Even the ultra wide angle camera is fun, you get a very good perspective, but I did not use the ultra wide angle camera that much because I did not need that perspective that much. I used the main and telephoto a lot more as compared to the ultra wide angle camera. But it's not like the ultra wide angle camera is not bad and the brand is not thinking about the ultra wide angle camera. Even that is great and clicks some awesome photos. As a matter of fact, all the 3 cameras shoot very similar colors. So Xiaomi has done an incredible job in terms of color matching the sensors. That is a very difficult job to do and they've done a brilliant job at it. So it is pretty clear that photography experience with the Xiaomi 13 Pro is top notch. So photography is sorted, but what about videos? Video recording with the rear camera is great. You can shoot up to 8K at 24 FPS and the video quality itself is very good. So rear camera no problem, but with the front camera there is a problem and let me tell you about it. So right now I'm shooting with the front camera using the Xiaomi 13 Pro and it can only shoot in 1080p. It cannot shoot in 4K, which is kind of sad. 4K video recording support for the front camera should have been there according to me. So 1080p for a flagship smartphone is kind of sad. So front camera video recording is okay, and that's one of the main reasons why I still carry an iPhone 13 with me on a daily basis. If I quickly want to shoot an Instagram reel or a story or something, then I am going to use an iPhone because that's just the truth. iPhones are better for video recording. Now Xiaomi has done an incredible job with the camera software as well. Inside the camera app you get tons and tons of features and tons of filters. These filters are actually useful. You do not need to edit the photo later on. You can directly shoot by using the filters. You know, I've been having a lot of fun with these filters, especially the black and white ones. The black and white photos that you shoot with the Xiaomi 13 Pro are just next level. But this gets me to the last point in camera, and that is front camera photos. Front camera photos or selfies are very good with the Xiaomi 13 Pro. So in terms of photos, there is no issues. The dynamic range, the colors, the sharpness, everything is very good. But front camera videos are okay. Now, how has my experience been with the rest of the phone? The cameras are good, we all know that. But what about the rest of the phone? We'll start with the in-hand feel. Xiaomi 13 Pro is a big and kind of heavy smartphone. Now mind you, I am coming from a very comfortable Samsung Galaxy S23. That's why this feels very heavy to me. But if you're already using a big phone, then this might not seem that big or that heavy to you. But for me, it is definitely big and heavy. So it's going to take some time to get used to this form factor again, but I want to do that. I want to get used to this form factor. Apart from that, the design is amazing. This phone looks aesthetically pleasing. The white color is awesome. And this back panel does not attract a lot of fingerprints. I absolutely appreciate that. It is a glossy back panel, but does not attract a lot of fingerprints. The display is curved on both sides, which makes the phone easier to grip, but I do not like curved displays. I am a fan of flat displays like the one we see on the Samsung Galaxy S23 and also the iPhone 13. I absolutely love flat displays. While we're on the subject of display, the display quality on Xiaomi 13 Pro is top notch. It's bright, it's colorful, it's high resolution, and the content looks amazing on Xiaomi 13 Pro. Watching movies, YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, everything is a pleasant experience on the Xiaomi 13 Pro. I love the display quality, no complaints over there, and it's very bright as well, so you can easily use it in outdoor sunny conditions without any issues. Battery life has also been solid on the Xiaomi 13 Pro. I can easily use it throughout an entire day with some juice left towards the end of the day, maybe like 20 to 25% left towards the end of the day. Now I am a very light user. Most of my day is clicking photos, watching Instagram Reels, replying to WhatsApp messages, and maybe doing transactions on Google Pay. Apart from that, I do not use my smartphone for anything else. Everything else is done on my iPad or on my laptop. So it's a pretty normal use, and for that use, the battery life has been excellent. No issues with the battery life. And same goes for charging. You get very fast charging with the Xiaomi 13 Pro, and the fast charger is provided inside the box itself. So you do not need to spend extra money on the charger. You get the charger inside the box. But the charging brick is a little bit big and it might fall off if you have a small plug point. So please make a note of that the charging brick is big and heavy. It's not a small charging brick. If you want a small charging brick, you'll have to go with a charger which supports GaN or gallium nitride. Those chargers are very small and very fast. So you might want to do that if you want a small charger. Now what about the performance and software? Performance is very solid on the Xiaomi 13 Pro. I've not noticed any hiccups whatsoever. In fact, it has been extremely smooth for me. The performance is flagship level. This is a flagship level premium smartphone and offers similar performance to it. Same goes for software experience. I love MIUI and all the features that come along with it. And Xiaomi has done a good job in terms of optimizing the features for Xiaomi 13 Pro. So on Xiaomi 13 Pro, MIUI is working like a charm. I have not noticed any issues whatsoever. I can use all the features like dual apps. If I want to run 2 instances of WhatsApp, I can easily do that. If I want to run 2 instances of Instagram, then that is possible as well. And other features and customizations also work really well on the Xiaomi 13 Pro. So software and performance wise, I am impressed with the Xiaomi 13 Pro. No issues over there at all. If you talk about network, 5G is something that I have not used on the Xiaomi 13 Pro. I am going to use 5G on this smartphone very soon. So if you want a 5G update, then please let me know about that. Maybe I'll make a YouTube short or something like that to give you an update about 5G, or maybe I'll tweet about it. So make sure you follow me on Twitter. And while we're on the subject of following me, please follow me on Instagram because we've built an awesome community over there. It's a Hindi page, but it's an awesome one. You'll absolutely love the content on Instagram. Now, if you ask me the price of Xiaomi 13 Pro, it's 80,000 rupees over here in India. And I often get asked, why would you spend 80,000 rupees on a Xiaomi smartphone? Well, again, I'm not going to give you an answer. I'm just going to show you the photos that Xiaomi 13 Pro can click. Just look at these photos. They're awesome, right? So yes, if camera is at your topmost priority, then you should spend 80,000 rupees on a Xiaomi smartphone. It does not matter if it's a Xiaomi, if it's a Vivo or anything. If camera is your top priority, then this smartphone is going to give you an awesome photography experience. In fact, the Xiaomi 13 Pro makes me very excited for the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. I'm going to try to get my hands on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra very soon. Maybe I'll import it from Dubai or something like that. And that's definitely going to happen because of the Xiaomi 13 Pro. But anyway, you get the reason why I am switching from the Samsung Galaxy S23 to the Xiaomi 13 Pro. Now speaking about this, I might sell my Samsung Galaxy S23, so make sure you follow me on Twitter because I am going to post a very good deal on the Samsung Galaxy S23. So yeah, that's pretty much been it. Do let me know what do you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.